is playing with fire, and that fire is about to consume them. Did you know the main reason why General Igwe Butuzo was called the triple general? Of course, you don't know. You see, the Igbos are always condemning their own warriors, while the South, the West are always accommodating them. Imagine a Nigeria police force welcoming the bandits, hailing them, congratulating them, enjoy with them. Imagine the West following with his own Igbo, shoulder to shoulder, celebrating with him. He's a warrior. But in the Southeast, we are always like to be called "I wish is me." That is what is killing us. But today, the Nigeria government and the so-called South politician and South A politician, they don't know how prepared we came in this Biafra struggle. Is either Biafra or nothing. This era, this 21st century, we must restore Biafra in peace. Come and watch the video. What you're about to watch will shock you. Men are ready to go. Whether you support or you no support, Biafra must come. Come and watch the video. We are no longer playing. This is time to do the needful. Action is needed. Watch the video. Don't go anywhere.
Let's give him Nnamdi Sound salute. Yes. More life to our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi, to show that your men are good to go. That thing when they carry for armor car, with the carry for hand, they shoot them. They carry for armor car, they fear them. They do this with the carry for hand, they shoot them. We don't fear anybody. Now so it be. Yes. Fabio. Tare. 4. Ahia na no banano. Cheko agbo gebia. Ana meku onye abuna gbama o. Copy sir. from there, chief don azụ. Today being 28th of January 2026, we are live and direct in Biafra Liberation Army barrack. This is SMO himself. Yeah, this is SMO. You know they fear you. Be you who. We are not afraid of you. We prepare very well. They are saying we are no more, but we gallant. Nigeria can never say the truth because they are good in propaganda. Yes. Men are gallant. Today, we are celebrating and we are welcoming the General of Biafran Armed Forces in the name of person Igwe Butuzo and the gallant men. We prepared very well, but Nigeria can never say the truth. We want to let the international community, we want to let the bodies of international communities, United States of America, Israel, and other countries that support Biafra starting from 1967 to 1970. We want to let them know that since 6 years now, we are at war with Nigeria terrorist sponsorship in the starting of name of Muhammadu Buhari to the drug lord President Tinubu. We are at war. We never subdue. Then try all their best. Then bought all their weapons to make sure that they bring Biafran down. But we never recalculate. We still insist and stand for one word. We only believe in one word where we stand, Biafra or nothing. This is Biafra Liberation Army. Today, we welcome somebody, a great person in our midst. And today, as we are going on, we let the people know that Nigeria recruited a lot of terrorists in the eastern part of Nigeria, in the region of Biafra, to harm the Christians, to Islamize everyone, but we say no. We are Jewish Christians. We believe in our religion. Our only crime is we do not believe in Islamization. That is our crime. So today, we want to let all the world know Biafra is at war. We are at secret war, which is Nigeria cover it. Their medias cover it. But today we want to expose everything. And this, as we are exposing it, we are letting the world know. Now I'm leading to the generals that control the Biafra. In the starting of the Commander Onyame, please, do you have anything to tell the Biafrans all over the world? Thank you.
Yes, sir. What I have to say, a message to Nigerian politicians. This is a last warning to them. Mostly Southeast, the 5 governors of Southeast. This is a last warning to them. Mostly Hope, Usodenjo, and the Soludo. This is a warning to them that Biafra Defense Force are giving them the last warning. Whatever they are doing, we are watching them. Let us don't think that we are not seeing what they are doing. We are seeing them. And let them not think that when we came out to face them, they cannot bear it. They can't stand us, both them and their securities. Even the Army and Navy, Air Force, we are not afraid of them. Even their Ebuba guns, we are not afraid of them. We are ever ready, good to go.
Thank you.
We are not afraid of them. Let them come. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Whether you like it or not, Biafra is already a nation. Our own is our own. These warriors, these angels are the people that are going to bring Nigeria to the knees. We have put everything in place. Do you know why we are making it open? We are making it open because the time of hide and seek is gone. The time of gossiping is gone. This time around is time for action. Yes, because freedom is not negotiated. Freedom is not given. Freedom is taken. I don't care however you want it, but bring it on, because we buy every ideas. But this time around, we, the 21st century, we must restore Biafra in peace. Our ancestors have energized us. Our ancestors have possessed us. Our ancestors have our support. So therefore, it's either Biafra or nothing. Like our leader always said, we are already dead. It's only Biafra that will bring us back life. Nobody can dispute that. Forget about what these ancestors call themselves the politicians are doing or saying. They are just wasting their time. We are waiting for the final trumpet. When the trumpet sound, you will know what we made for. Nigeria, if you know, you know. What you don't know is bigger than you. Support these angels. Support these great angels, because these are the people that are going to save you. In as much as you are South, you are Southeast, or whatever, support these men. Nigeria will be disintegrated. Believe that. Who am I? I'm only a messenger. If you love what I do here in this Global Love Channel TV, please don't hesitate to touch a hand for subscribe button, like and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in doing that, you are encouraging us to do more, because togetherness, we shall save life together. In Biafra, Africa, rise the more. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.